The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a flash flood warning for
Love sitting down to a big Sunday dinner with the entire family? Do you wish you could enjoy the taste of those all-day, slow-cooked, labor-intensive recipes without the time, the work, or the wait? Well, now there's a new grandma's favorite recipes turn into everyday favorites with just a push of a button and do it in a fraction of the time. How would you like to make a hearty pot roast with all the fixings done in 25 minutes? Fall off the bone short ribs ready and...
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Muskogee County Emergency Management. This is a mandatory evacuation order for the town of Webbers Falls and nearby areas west of the Arkansas River. Historic and life-threatening flooding is now occurring on the Arkansas River. Significant flooding in the town of Webbers Falls is imminent. A mandatory evacuation order has been issued for the entire town of Webbers Falls and surrounding areas. Residents in this area should act now and evacuate west and south along Highway 100 to Interstate 40 away from the Arkansas River and away from Webbers Falls. A shelter for evacuees is open in Warner Church on the Word, located at 1511 Cowell Road, which is North Highway 64. If you require assistance with evacuation, please call 2-1-1. Repeating, a mandatory evacuation order has been issued for the entire town of Webbers Falls and surrounding areas. Evacuate now. This is a life-threatening situation. Stay away from riverbanks and flooded areas. Never drive into flooded roadways.
Well done. Or perfect rice, whether it's brown or wild, in as little as 6 minutes. Cook dry pasta right out of the box in its own sauce without having to boil water in just 5 minutes. The Power Pressure Cooker XL's incredible 6-quart capacity allows you to cook hearty meals for even the hungriest crew in your house. Choose from one